I will tell you something that's not new to you. The world is not so sunny and friendly. This is a very dangerous and sad place. If you give up the slack, it will overturn. You will such force that you will not stand up again. Not you, not me, no one in the world hits as hard as life. It doesn't matter how you hit, and it's important what you hold the blow, how you move forward. You will go, if you are not afraid to swear. This is the only way to win. If you know what you are worth, go and take your own, but be ready to hold the ball and not cry and say, I didn't achieve anything because of him, because of her, because of someone. That's what cowards do, and you are not coward, it can be. The training is over, now you are much closer to what you could have become. Is it a matter of time? Did lack of time prevent you from reaching your maximum? Wake up, man. How do I do this? I will tell you. You have to get up early, whether it's cold or not, and do things you wouldn't normally do. You know, only people who are sick in the head do the same things and expect different results. If you want to change the end result, you have to change your action. Why not try it? Why not shake yourself up? What do I mean? Get up at 5 a.m. Man, at last once get up and go for a going run. Spend one day and you will see how you will feel when you run at 5 a.m. and your neighbor will are sleeping at the time, or at 6 a.m. they will wake up, look out of the window, drinking coffee and think about what today will bring them when it's already brought you. Do you understand how this works? You will feel that you are alive, then you come to work and realize that I'm surrounded by only vegetables. Let them either do what I said or get fuck off out of them. Never take an example from them. They are realized by television. Let them look at you, ask stupid questions and get answers, and dreams of being like you. Just remember, you are not like them. You can look at the picture that shows Hawaii, feel the sea breeze, but man, you have to think, what are you better than them? You should be there, not watching how much you can dream. It's time to do. Spend one day, feel what it's like to get up when everyone is still asleep, or go for a run when everyone around you say no. It's called I'm uncomfortable, I won't go, and you go and do it. Yes, it can be unpleasant, but after you do it, you will feel proud of yourself. I don't know if you like this feeling or not, but if you like it, you can achieve a lot. There is no fear in reality. Fear lives in one corner in our thoughts about the future. Fear is a figment of our imagination. It makes us fear what is not, probably will never be. This is a pure madness, China. Don't get me wrong. Danger is a real fact, but fear is your choice. We all tell ourselves stories.